In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import font in Canva. If you're working on a brand design, client presentation, or marketing graphic, it can be frustrating when the exact font you need isn't available in Canva's default font list. The good news is that Canva makes it possible to upload custom fonts directly into your workspace, so you can keep your designs consistent and professional without relying on close substitutes. To get started, open your web browser, sign in to your Canva account, and make sure you're on the main homepage dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the navigation menu, scroll through the available options until you find the section labeled Brand, then click it. This is where Canva stores your branding assets, including logos, colors, and fonts. Once you're inside the brand area, look for your brand kit. If you only use one workspace, this will usually be very straightforward. If you manage more than one brand or workspace, take a moment to choose the correct brand kit for the project you want to update. That way, the font will be added to the right brand setup and easier to use later in the correct designs. After opening the right brand kit, scroll down until you reach the font section. You'll likely pass your brand logos and color palette first, so just keep moving until you see the typography area. In that section, look to the right for the option that says Upload a font or Add New, and click it. This will open Canva's file selection window, so you can choose the font file from your computer. Now go to the folder where your font file is saved. Canva typically supports common font formats like TTF, OTF, and WUF. So select the correct file and click Open. At this point, Canva will show a confirmation message asking you to verify that you have permission to use and upload the font. Read that prompt carefully, then confirm the upload if you have the proper license or usage rights. This step is important because not every font is cleared for commercial or shared use. Once the upload is complete, head back to the Canva homepage and open the design where you want to use the new font. Click on a text box to bring up the text formatting toolbar. Open the font drop-down menu, type the name of your uploaded font into the search bar, and select it when it appears. Canva will then apply that font to your selected text so you can immediately see how it looks inside your layout, and that's it. Your custom font is now imported and ready to use in Canva, helping you keep your designs polished, consistent, and on brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.